Hello, friends and viewers. You are welcome to JoeNewton Online Physics and Maths. Yes, it is time for us to study, and our class now is mathematics. Yes, what we have on board is variation. So we have a typical question on variation. Before we proceed, recall that in variation we have what we call direct variation. We have inverse variation. We have partial variation. We have joint variation. So we shall be taking them one after the other. Now is Of course, here now is the one on the board here now is inverse variation at this moment. Look at the question. The question says if y varies inversely with x such that when x is 4, y is equal to 5. Then we are asked to find the value of x when y is 10. Then we have these options A, 2, B, A, C, 16, B, 20. Good. Okay. Then how do we solve this? To solve this, first of all, you establish a relationship between the two variables. By relationship, we mean a formula connecting the two variables or an equation. However, you have to express it and get a constant first. So solution, we have that y varies as 1 over x. By implication, when we introduce a constant, we have that y is equal to k over x. Here k is constant. K is equal to constant. K is constant of variation. Okay, now the rate of variation. So we now cross multiply to make k subject formula. So we're able to get a value of k. From this equation, how that k is equal to xy. Therefore, our k is equal to our x is, you use the first values given to you, the first complete values or pairs of values for x and y, or for the two variables, the initial values, okay, to determine the constant. So k is equal to 4 times 5. xy means x times y. Do not write 45 and join them. Say you have substituted. No. You know the relationship between these two letters. That is multiplication. So k is now equal to 20. So that is not our answer. This is just, do not say we have found answer because we are seeing 20 here and 20 here. This is just the constant. Okay. Now, so we can establish an equation or relationship between the two variables such that, taking from this place, we can now see that from here that y is equal to 20 over x. So this is formula. Some questions in theory will ask you, find the formula connecting the two variables. Let's say, for example, x and y, or the relationship between them. That's the formula. So this is the relationship between them from this equation. Okay, we can now go further to answer the question specifically now. We are asked to find x when y is 10. Therefore, when y is equal to 10, we now come to this equation and find the value of x. So we substitute in this equation. We have that 10 is equal to 20 over x. Can you see? You cross multiply. If I were you, I just cross multiply. This will come here. So x times here, I have 10x, 1 times 20, 20. So 10x is equal to 20. To find my value of x, I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 10. So this can cancel and remaining x alone. Then 10 divides 20, we get 2. So our x is equal to 2. Therefore, when y is equal to 10, our x is equal to 2. Go to the option. The answer is option A. This is the answer. Option A. I know by mere inspection to this question, if you don't know the formula or what it implies by inverse variation, you might assume that since here is 4, here is 5, and when this one is 10, here will be 8. It is not done that way. It is not so because of inverse variation. Inverse means when the other value is increasing, the other one is decreasing. That is inverse variation. The direct is when one is increasing, the other one is also increasing correspondingly by rate, or decreasing versus decreasing. But inverse, one quantity increases, the other one decreases by value by a proportional rate. Thank you for paying attention to this class. For more tutorials, keep on following me on my Facebook page. Visit my YouTube channel at JoeNewton Online Physics and Maths to enjoy more. Then be kind to share this video for others to learn and enjoy with us. Together we can end maths phobia and science phobia among students. Thank you. Bye-bye.